And to prove that this is working, I've now gone into Microsoft Word. So just imagine you were at home, you'd logged into your Grammarly account, you downloaded the Grammarly plugin, which will actually put a Grammarly button into your version of Word. And if you click on that, we can log in now. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And now I should be able to go to the top of this document, and if I type in the word tonally, Grammarly has not categorized that as a spelling mistake with the red underline. So as I've said, I've logged in on a free account at the moment. We've got our different types of mistakes that Grammarly is going to pick up, and we can choose to turn those on or off, but we haven't got access to the advanced issues or to the genre button. See, it's asking us to log in with a premium account, vocabulary enhancement, or the plagiarism checker. So just to show you what those look like, I'm now going to re-log into Word with a premium account. So now I have a few more features available to me, and just to demonstrate, if I turn off all of these features here, and I just turn on vocabulary enhancement, then it's actually starting to give me suggestions for how I can improve my writing. That, again, I can agree or disagree with. It's suggesting that I'm using the word good too many times, that I'm repeating certain words. That can be quite useful feedback to get back. And additionally, if I turn that off and then go and check on plagiarism, what we should find is that Grammarly has identified that I've basically just stolen this document wholesale from a web page. Additionally, we've got access to a slightly more focused set of writing styles, so I could go into academic, and I've got a number of different options there that's going to modify the way that Grammarly feeds back to me. And while these tools are really useful, I hope what's clear is that even the free version of Grammarly is really, really useful and is giving you lots of useful feedback on your writing.